Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to find your IBAN number for Allied Bank. Today I'm going to show you how to find your IBAN number on Allied Bank. Here's how you can do it in just a few simple steps. First of all, check your bank statement. Allied Bank prints your IBAN on statements sent to you regularly. Can't find your statement? No worries. You can generate your IBAN online. Just visit Allied Bank's IBAN calculator, enter your 14 or 16 digit account number and click Generate IBAN. Your IBAN is a 24 character unique identifier. Here's how it's structured. Country code 2 characters. Check digits 2 digits. Bank code 4 characters. Account number 16 digits. This format ensures your transactions are processed correctly and securely worldwide. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.